going to cook a root vegetable that may be a little foreign to some of you out there. It is this gorgeous celeriac, and as the name describes, it is part of the celery family. So you can see these gorgeous leaves look exactly like celery. So it has that celery, nutty, aniseed flavour, and what we want from it is the bulb. So I'm going to be making a celeriac gratin, just like a potato gratin, and I want to show you how versatile it is. Now it does look a little intimidating, but it's very easy to prepare. We just want to top and tail it. Just think of it maybe as a turnip, so you're going to top and tail it and take the thin skin off, and that's what we're after, that beautiful white flesh in the centre. So once you've peeled what you need, all you need to do is thinly slice it, or I've used a mandolin to cut very thin, even slices for my gratin. So these are about 1/2 centimetre thick because you want it to cook nice and evenly. So once you've done that, we'll pop it to the side, and then we need to get on with the mixture that's going to glue it all together. And in true French form, lots of cream and lots of butter. So on a medium heat, I'm going to heat up some thickened cream, say about 300 mils, along with some milk. I like to use the milk too so it's not too rich, so just balancing that out. And we're just warming this up and reducing it slightly. To this, I'll add a good pinch of salt, and I'll also add some Dijon mustard, so a generous tablespoon of the mustard, just to give it a little extra piquancy. Mix that through. And my spice of choice for any type of gratin, potato or celeriac, is some nutmeg, so a pinch of nutmeg in there too. While that's bubbling away, I will also add a good crack of pepper. And already that smells delicious. In a gratin dish, I've got a medium-sized one here. We want to add some butter. So I'll just cut a small wedge off. And we're not only going to use the butter to grease our dish, but we will add a little bit of butter throughout the whole layering process. So just grab a piece and just grease the dish. It's going to make cleaning up a lot easier later on. And it's okay if there's just a few little bits in there. And then we can start layering. So take a few pieces of the celeriac out of the water, give it a good shake. We don't want excess water in this. And then little by little, we're going to layer it up. A little thyme, sprinkle of thyme. And this cream is bubbling away, and we're going to pour some of this over. So not too much, because it's all about the layering. That looks good. All right, another 2 layers of celeriac. Always add a pinch of salt between the layers. And when we get up to the end, I always like to add a generous handful of cheese. It then goes into the oven, 180 for about an hour, or until the celeriac is bubbling, golden brown and tender in the centre. And there's our gorgeous celeriac gratin. When you take this to the table, everyone's going to dig in and think it's a potato gratin, but they're going to be pleasantly surprised because the taste is just sensational. So if you want to give it a go, try celeriac. It's versatile and it's super delicious, served just like this.